Great afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another EDJ Open House Tour for this week. Today, guys, we're here in Quezon City, kung saan po may bago tayong featured na single corner house and lot. Before we start our tour, please like and follow EDJ Facebook page, Reel, TikTok, Instagram, as well my EDJ YouTube channel. So you'll be notified every time we drop a video. Now, guys, let's start our open house tour. Yan guys, as you can see, narito tayo sa street level ng house and lot. Ito yung kabilang street at ito yung street kung saan nakaharap yung property. Is a corner single house and lot, consists of 2-story with balcony po sa second floor. And then dito sa side na to, ito yung 2-car carport natin, folded gate. And dito sa side na to, ito yung pedestrian gate. Pasok tayo. Dito sa side na to, ito yung 2-car carport. Dito naman papunta sa inyong everyday kitchen. Ngayon, ang next nating titingnan, yung kabilang easement ng property. Pero bago tayo pumunta doon guys, ito yung porch and solid main door. Mamaya, pasok tayo dyan. Continue tayo dito. Ito yung kabilang street ng corner house and lot natin. And then, ito yung open space dito. Dito yung lanay. Dito sa side na to, ito yung sliding glass door papunta sa living area. Yung lanay, may corner glass tayo dito. And then guys, tara, punta naman tayo dito sa porch. At ito yung large and solid main door. Pasok tayo sa loob. Pagpasok mo, dito sa kaliwa niya, ito yung living area. At na-mention kong corner glass, ang ganda ng pwesto dito. Makikita mo yung magiging landscape area mo doon sa open space. At dito naman yung lanay. At next natin, may room tayo dito sa baba. Dito sa baba, yan, dito yung provision mo for bed, high ceiling. At dito sa side na to, ito yung closet. And ito yung toilet and bathroom. Naka full tiles, may heater, shower enclosure. Maganda yung space niya, malapad yung toilet. May 4-panel sliding glass window ka dito, mabubview mo yung lanay sa yung space ito sa labas. At next natin, itong dining area. Next natin is yung kitchen. Sa kitchen, may upper cabinet, na Germania yung French wood. Yung cooktop mo dito is meron kang 4 burner, yung oven, open shelving, saka yung refrigerator mo sa side na to. Ito naman yung hagdanan papunta sa second floor. Tara, tingnan natin. Ito yung landing between the ground floor and the second floor. Yung step and tread mo dito is wood. Yung handle mo dito is solid wood din, guys. Dito sa second floor, meron kang family area and 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bathroom, at balcony. Ito yung family area mo dito. Ito yung corner glass. Ganda ng view mo dito sa corner. Tapos, itong door na to guys, ito yung papunta dito sa balcony. Yan. Railings mo dito is steel. Tapos, meron ka ditong tempered glass na panel. Check natin itong next. Ito naman yung first bedroom dito sa second floor. Yan guys, meron na siyang air conditioner sa side na yan. Ito yung toilet and bathroom. Same layout at yung mga ginamit dito. Doon sa nakita niyo yung bedroom natin, yung toilet and bathroom ko sa ground floor. Labas tayo dito. Next natin yung ibang bedroom. Yan, ito yung isang bedroom. Itong side na ito yung facing sa yung everyday kitchen at laundry area or service area, guys. Yan, ito yung toilet and bathroom dito. Labas tayo, tingnan naman natin yung pang 4th bedroom. Yan, sa 4th bedroom, itong side na to, ito yung facing ng harap ng house and lot. Ito naman yung toilet and bathroom. Bali lahat po ng kwarto o rooms ay meron pong toilet and bathroom. Ngayon, ito naman yung hagdanan papunta dito sa inyong attic. May another family area ka dito sa side na to. Tapos dito naman tayo. Ito yung isang room dito. Pwede mong gawing stock room. Tapos ito, yan, pwede mo rin gawing stock room. Ito yung space po dito sa may attic. Tapos ito po yung toilet and bathroom o common toilet and bathroom para dito po sa attic area. Now guys, let's go down. Now, we're done ang ating open house tour dito po sa Quezon City. Itong property na to is corner single house and lot. Sana po naibigan niyo ang bagong picture nito. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notification para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago kong pinipicture na property dito po sa Metro Manila and Rizal area. Again, this is Delbert Halos, helping you find a home that's meant for you.